Hello friends, in this video I will show how to make a line graph in Excel. So firstly guys, you need some data. As we can see, we have this example data. Select it, click on insert, and in charts section click on recommended charts, all charts. So here you will see a list of charts. Click on line. Now select any style of line. Like line with markers, then click on OK. Now adjust the size for this chart. Now drag and drop in your document. Here you can change style for this graph. Here you can change title for this graph. And here are some more options. Chart style, same you can change from here. Color, once you click on this chart filter, you can hide any term, then apply. Once you click on this plus icon, so there are some more options. You can add right line, you can add legend, trend line, up down bars, data table, and error bars. So these all are changes you can apply here. So this is the way guys you can create a line chart in Microsoft Excel. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not, and make sure once you make changes here, so it will reflect in this chart like this. You want to make changes some here, so it will reflect in the filter. So and now I will select this style. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you